Hi everyone, today I'm back with another video, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to use commas in dates and addresses. When we write dates, we start with the month, then the day, and end with the year. We also put a comma in between the day and the year. What do you do when you see his birthday is 1972, 30 August? You write his birthday is August 30, 1972. In written form, this is acceptable. His birthday is August 30th, 1972. In spoken form, it's preferable to say it with the ordinal number. This format is incorrect. Do you know anybody who was born on 2000 January 1st? This format is correct. Do you know anybody who was born on January 1st, 2000? In written form. Do you know anybody who was born on January 1st, 2000 in spoken form? One more incorrect example. Please come to the party on February 20th, 23rd. This is the correct way to write the sentence above. Please come to the party on February 23rd, 2020. In a written form or on applications, it is acceptable to write it in this manner. However, in spoken form, we usually say, please come to the party on February 23rd, 2020. However, it is not to say that this is incorrect in written form. This is also correct in written form, but many applications don't allow for the extra letters. That's why we can write it like this and it's still acceptable. And also you can write it using numbers. Another incorrect example. Do you know what happened on July 1890, 12? This is the correct way to write the sentence above. Do you know what happened on July 12th, 1890? Or do you know what happened on July 12th, 1890? Here's another incorrect example. Was the baby born on December 2004, 31? This is the correct way to write the sentence above. Do you know what happened on July 12th, 1890? Or do you know what happened on July 12th in the ordinal form, 1890? So this type of numbers are called ordinal numbers. Commas are used in addresses after the parts of a complete address in a sentence. The house number and street form one part, as do the state and zip code number. Of course, put commas between the city and the state, and put no commas between the state and the zip code. Put commas at the end of each line on an envelope. Example, send this to Alice Ray, 417 Elm Street, Detroit, Michigan, 48200, today. When we write our addresses, we always put commas after the name of the street and after the name of the city. Incorrect way to write an address. My address is 79 Brookfield Lane, Springfield, Massachusetts, 01234. It is incorrect because there are no commas separating the street name from the city name. Correct way to write an address. My address is 79 Brookfield Lane, Springfield, Massachusetts, 01234. In another video, I will show you how to abbreviate street addresses. So remember that we are going to place the comma after the name of the street and after the name of the city. Incorrect. My friend lives on James Street, 74, South Carolina, Bolton. Correct. My friend lives on 74 James Street, Bolton, South Carolina. Correct. Let's revise one more time. Incorrect example. Our school is located on Citrus Drive, 89, Johnston, South Carolina. Now let's look at it correctly. Our school is located on 89 Citrus Drive in Johnston, South Carolina. Notice the comma after the complete street address and the comma after the city. You can abbreviate drive, street, but I will do that in another video. Today, I wanted to show you how you could use the comma in the street address. In today's video, we learned how to write the dates correctly using commas for written and spoken purposes and for filling out applications. We also learned how to use commas correctly in addresses. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.